And here we have, this is Circus, and that's Nora and T-Bird. And they are definitely puppies. Uh-oh, Nora's got something that everybody wants. Nora's always finding things. Nora's a good treasure hunter, isn't she? These are puppies. They're probably all right at or under 6 months. They've all been fixed. Cute as can be. They share a kennel, indoor-outdoor kennel. Nora's playing keep away. Nora, you always find something. I think she's the cutest thing. And T-Bird's really cute too. And so is Circus. They're all cute. Wouldn't it be fun to have one of these in your house or in your backyard playing? Maybe even 2 of them. Maybe even 2 of them, huh, T-Bird? She's almost as busy as Roscoe over there. You want to tell them you need a home? Say they know it. Say they know it already. They know it. Okay.